Disclaimer!
Naghahanap ka ba ng laro na exciting at siguradong mag-enjoy ka at syempre ang gusto ng karamihan? Paldo! Well, nasa tamang video ka. Pinapakilala ko sa'yo, si CLM.
CLM is a fantasy MMORPG set in the vibrant world of Shields, where the players can explore different regions, fight unique monsters, and choose from various classes like Knight, Mage, and Priest. It combines classic RPG gameplay with colorful cartoon designs, making it both nostalgic and enjoyable for both new and returning players.
At kung tatanungin mo ko, ano nga bang pinagkaiba ni CLM sa lahat ng RPG na meron? Well, kakaiba ito dahil sa cute nitong style, masayang gameplay, at syempre, ang exciting na adventure. At ang tanong ng karamihan, how to earn?
In CLM, hindi lang adventure ang makukuha mo. You can actually earn through your gameplay. Habang naglalaro ka, completing missions and joining rankings, you earn rewards like Shields Crystal. At syempre, these rewards depend on your performance. So the more active you are and skilled you are, syempre, the more you can earn.
And the best part, pwede mong i-convert ang mga rewards na to into tokens na magbibigay ng value sa iyong paglalaro. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Let's dive into the world of CLM and start your adventure today. Thank you for watching, guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe. At syempre, kung gusto niyo pang makanood ng more CLM contents, stay tuned.